Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your first animation in Blender from start to finish. So if you've never animated anything before, don't worry. Yeah, we'll cover the basics of keyframes, the timeline, and playback so you can make objects come to life. First, launch Blender and open a new general project. You'll see the default cube in the center of the scene. For this tutorial, we'll animate the cube because it's simple and perfect for learning the animation tools. At the bottom of the Blender window, you'll find the timeline. This is where your animation frames are displayed. The playhead shows your current frame, and you can drag it left or right to move through the animation. Now select the cube and make sure you're on the first frame. Press the I key to open the Insert Keyframe menu, then choose Location. This saves the cube's current position as the starting point of the animation. Next, move the playhead to a later frame, such as frame 60. Move the cube to a new position by pressing the G key or using the Move tool. Then press the I key again and insert another location keyframe. Blender automatically creates a smooth animation between the two positions. To see your animation, press the spacebar or click the play button in the timeline. The cube should move smoothly from the first position to the second. If you want, you can add more keyframes to create a longer or more detailed animation. Once you're happy with your animation, open the File menu and choose Save As. Give your project a name, select a location, and save it. That way, you can continue editing or render the animation later. And that's it. You've just created your first animation in Blender. Once you're comfortable with keyframes, you can animate cameras, lights, characters, and much more. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.